Hello everybody. This is a fall collab by Fall DIY Collab Dupes Challenge, hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and Eclectic Kristen. This is a Pottery Barn inspired look with a combination look of Kirkland's inspired ideas that I found on their web pages, and I just love the look. I had this cloche already, and the little tea light candle, I showed it yesterday on the National Thrift Store Haul Day, and I already had this little gold flower. Actually came off a Christmas pick that I already had. And I already had these, the little squirrel in there is actually a salt and pepper shaker that I got last year at Dollar Tree. And then the pumpkin was a salt and pepper shaker. And here's some mate to the other one. And here's some mate to that one. And I combined looks in this, and I already had the leaves from last year that came off the same pick that I put in my fall wreath, and I just put it on top of this clear tray that I already had too. And then what I've got sitting up on the tea light is sitting on is one of the colored glass pictures that I showed in one of my colored glass collections, and it's a gold crackled like picture that I also had in my glass decor collection. So this came together so beautifully, I think, and I put it in here on my little kitchen table that is a real small round table that we've had for years. And I just wanted everyone to see you can do these dupes and looks of high-end places like Pottery Barn, Kirkland's, and others, and you can just combine the looks if you want to. It don't have to be an exact dupe, I wouldn't think. And I just love how it came out. Well, everybody have a wonderful, blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you will, I sure would appreciate it. I want to grow my channel, and I would appreciate that you all do. And be sure and check out Kenya's Decor Corner. She is a beautiful lady that has lots of beautiful ideas, great ideas. And check out Eclectic Kristen. And I can say the exact same thing about her as with the other ones I mentioned yesterday and their DIY collab. And I've got their names written down because I tell you, when you get a little bit older, you start having to write things down. And their channel is two lovely people, ladies, Deco Easy and My Happy Home channel. So shout outs to all four of these people. But the ones that put this out again, I will say again, is Fall DIY Dupes Challenge, hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and Eclectic Kristen. This was so fun. Everybody have a blessed day. Take care. Bye bye.